Hey guys, welcome to the wrap-up. Starting with our Paracord Planet news, we launched a new category on our website called the Craft Supplies category. In this category, we have items for macrame, knitting, crocheting, all sorts of different crafts. Along with that new category, we had 2 YouTube videos come out showing how to use products from it. One of them was a macrame plant hanger video, as well as a hemp bracelet tutorial. We also had a blog post come out entitled A Modern Guide to Macrame. So if you're interested in macrame, that can be found on our website. We started a new series on our YouTube channel called Cord Wars. In Cord Wars, we have 2 crafters pit off against each other to see who can create the best paracord creation. The first episode was Luke and I, and it was all about Godzilla and the King of the Monsters. If you have a paracord crafter on YouTube that you follow and you want to see participate in that, make sure to throw their name in the comments. Our paracord sighting goes to Swirlsworks Props on Twitter, who posted a picture of his scorpion blade from Mortal Kombat, where he used paracord for the chain. He does have an Etsy store, so go on over there if you want to support him. Our paracord spotlight this week goes to BadAzzBeads paracord skulls on Facebook. He sells really high quality paracord skulls, so if you're interested in picking up some of those, make sure to go check out his store. So now, for what we wrapped. It's not down there. This clay pot. Put some nice green paracord on that. It's very nice. Now for what we're going to wrap next time. That one actually is down there. We're going to wrap this party alpaca. It's going to be nice. We're going to give him a little saddle. It's going to be a good time. We'll see you then. I think that would have been funny. But yeah, now that I say it quickly, probably not what you want.